Facts to discuss today, they are: number 1, some special facts about Mars which will touch your mind. Number 2, scientists have discovered a new black hole which has already swallowed a helpless star. Number 1, ever since the discovery of Mars, scientists have been endlessly intrigued by the planet. The planet was named after the Roman god of war after its discovery. Astronomers have been searching for life on Mars for years, but the Martian atmosphere is full of carbon dioxide with no oxygen. But soil here is very dry and red in color, and this is exactly why the color of this planet is red. We also know Mars as the red planet. Astronomers celebrate November 28 as Red Planet Day because the first spacecraft sent to Mars, named Mariner 4, had a launch date of November 28, 1964, and the duration of the entire journey of this spacecraft was 8 months. If we look at the data we get from this planet, we can see that the largest mountain in this entire solar system, Olympus Mons, is located on this Mars. Its height is about 16 miles. In kilometers, it is about 25 km, and its diameter is about 600 km. Not only is it a mountain, but it also erupts. Scientists speculate that this volcano may still be active. This Mars has two moons. One is called Phobos and other is Deimos. Scientists predict that in the near future these two moons will be torn apart by the gravitational forces, and the fragmented rocky parts will continue to orbit Mars in the shape of a ring, just like Saturn and Uranus have rings. The gravity of Mars is much less than that of Earth. If an object weighs 100 kg on Earth, the same object will weigh 37 kg on Mars. As I mentioned before, the soil of Mars is very dry. There are hills, mountains, rivers, holes, but all are dry. Scientists hypothesize that the frozen ice at the south pole of Mars was once in the form of water, but the atmosphere of Mars is not suitable for life at all. It is impossible to survive 2 minutes here without wearing a spacesuit, but you must feel cold while standing on Mars because the normal temperature of Mars is minus 63 degrees Celsius. In summer, the temperature rises up to 26 degrees Celsius. However, just like Earth, Mars has clouds in its sky. As we can see the sun very clearly on Earth, the sun is quite dim in the sky of Mars. Scientists speculate that Mars once had water and life, just like Earth. But what happened in Mars is all a matter of inquiry. If I know something new, I will definitely share it with you. At the end of the discussion about this Mars, I want to say one thing: the distance between the orbit of Mars and the orbit of the Earth is not equal everywhere. Sometimes too much, sometimes too little. A year on Earth takes 365 days. Similarly, Mars takes 687 days to make a year. Number 2, scientists recently discovered an intermediate size black hole. It is located in the galaxy HDSS J152.120.07 plus 140410.5, about 850 million light years from Earth. A powerful beam of light, just as it was engulfing a star, served as a signal, allowing astronomers to discover the new black hole. Black holes devour stars. That feeding creates a situation called a tidal disruption event TDE. At that time, a strong gravitational force acts on the corresponding star from inside the black hole to swallow it. Thank you.